We're over here at Overland Embassy. And this here's the man of the day, Alejandro.
Nice to meet you guys. Well, good morning. Well, it's an early start, and it's a weird start because there was a time zone change that I was unaware of, so wow. Anyways, here in David, Panama, I'm gonna make my way towards Panama City. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get there or not. It's a long drive, but you know, if I get there, great. If not, great. Either way, gotta start getting there though. I need to get prepped for shipping the bike, maintenance on the bike, and all that kind of stuff. So today is going to be just a day of riding on the highway, I think. Pretty dull day. But we'll make the best of it and we'll see how it works out. Anyways, let's get out there and let's have some fun.
The ride from David to Panama City is about 440 kilometers, about 5.5 hours. And unfortunately, once again, due to technical issues, I don't have any video coverage of that. But I do end up the day at my hotel, Montreal. And I'm in 601. This is room 601. It's a bed. It has a short window up top, out to the hallway. It's fine. It's got air conditioning. To wash, the day, and a shower. Really didn't have much time for anything but to get a room and to get some food. Well, I just had an awesome meal, and I mean awesome meal at Masala. Holy smokes, it is fantastic. That gal knows how to make Indian food. That's the best Indian food I've ever had. Hands down. Sorry, my loyal guys back home, but whoo, she kicks it. She kicks it good. Well, it was a different day today. A lot of just traveling and getting things done logistically. But here we are, we're finally in Panama. And you know what? That was awesome. The meal was great. The riding was good. The logistics for the bike is getting sorted. And what can I tell you? That's going to be it for tonight. But let's take a look around the city and get ready for shipping the bike.
Well, good morning. Here we are in Panama City. I'm at the Hotel Montreal. The Hotel Montreal. And looks like everything here on the bike is intact, so that's all good news. I'm going to have some breakfast, maybe get out, bring my motorcycle clothes in for washing because, man, they are rancid. So much sweating, and you just never get a chance to really totally dry them out. So it's kind of like hockey equipment for us Canadians. It's like soccer equipment for those people in Central America or South America, Mexico. It needs it. So it's going to happen. I'm just going to walk those down the street. What else is going to happen today? Hopefully I'm going to do a little bit of walking around Panama. I don't know for sure. And today I dropped the bike off for maintenance work and shipping. Yep, we're going to take it to Overland Embassy, and the boys are going to work on getting the bike tuned up quite a bit, hopefully as much as possible. And then it goes in for preparation for flying it to Colombia. And I believe that we will be going to, me and the bike, we're going to be going to Bogota. But we'll see what happens. First things first, you never know what's going to happen in the day, but that's basically the plan. So first thing, some breakfast. You bet. I got to have myself a breakfast. And what am I going to have today? Well, you probably already know that I'm going to be having some pineapple, banana. I did not find any avocados. And then I've got leftover some trail mix, some raisins, and I got some plantain chips, just if I want something crunchy. And that'll be it. So that'll be today's breakfast. I know, hey, it ain't the Taj Mahal, I ain't doing some fancy stuff, but last night's meal was phenomenal, so whatever. This is good. It gets me going, gets me started for the day. And yeah, so we'll get out there and let's try to have some fun. Well, my hopes of getting my jacket and my pants washed and the smell out of them are dashed. The man tells me it's going to take 3 days, and that's because he has to line dry it, and he wants to make sure that it's going to be dry. And yeah, only one could be dried, sort of. But my jacket and my pants for the motorcycle are a no-go for him. 3 days. I don't think I'm going to be in this country in 3 days, so that's just not going to, I'm not going to get held up over that. I'll have to find another solution at another time. Another solution, another time. That's how it's going to go. Well, I only got a little short walk in, but it's time to get the bike over to Overland Embassy to get the maintenance started and the shipping started. Well, we had a little, what do you call it when things come together, people come together? We're over here at Overland Embassy, and this here's the man of the day, Alejandro.
Nice to meet you guys.
And this is Simon over here, and George happens to be here today too, so that's quite the coincidence of meetings. Right, so what we're leaving behind to get ready are a pair of boots, a helmet, oil filter, gasket, air filter, hopefully you don't have to use it, my jacket, my knee protection is also good enough behind. Yeah, and the rest I take with me. So this is who we're bringing the bike to get servicing done. It's about a block or two away from Overland Embassy. Here's our famous mechanic right here on the left. The mechanic's going to have to source some parts and get the work done as quick as possible because we want to get that baby shipped out. I know it's a different show than we're normally used to, but that's just the way things shake out these days. Hey, I hope you enjoyed today's show. And if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Click the bell so you're notified when new episodes are released. Subscribe. Man, that makes it easier for you to find on your TV and your computer. Hey, share it with your friends. It's always great sharing things with your friends. Leave me a message. I love hearing from you guys. And the call to ride will continue. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next episode.